have fair warm undertone, so let's try the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. So this is the shade Gobi and Double. Yan yung shades ko. Pero kung those mas gusto ko talaga yung Double kasi nagmamatch talaga siya sa fair warm undertone ko. Kaya hanapin ng Double, ang bilis mo sobra. So, yun. Pag gusto niyo naman ng super natural lang, this is the Sheer Glow lang na. It has no pump. So you have to be careful pag nilalabas mo yung product. Tsaka, para siyang as the other double wear foundation na walang pump. So, ingat lang kasi baka mag-leak. But what I like about this, lang siya, natural, para ka lang, ka-tinted, alam mo, a tinted glow look. Bahay, yun yung na look presentable, you don't look too made up. Whereas sa Natural Radiant Longwear naman, ang lasting siya, tapos yun nga, kapares niya Radiant, you can consider, and maganda siya kasi nga, plakado pero maganda pa rin yung finish. So, eto, I have this one in the shade Fiji Light 5. The soft, matte, complete foundation. Maganda siya pag gusto mo plakado and matte yung soft matte lang yung atake ng skin mo. Maganda rin to. Pansin niyo ba? Or ako lang. Ngayon ko sa Anars, yung malagkit yung niya, halawakan yung itim. Parang feeling ko rin lagkit na kami. Itong light reflecting in fairness, na siya, smooth matte yung hawakan niya. Pero ingat lang kasi nga minsan, dahil mabilis bumaklas. And yun, may pump na siya, buti naman, di ba? Ito, ang ganda nito kasi pag, alam mo naman tayo, di ba, pag gusto natin yung, yung fresh niya. Tapos pag natamaan to ng araw, or na light, para ka talagang glass skin look. Kaya light reflecting foundation, siguro, it has light reflecting pigments. Yeah. So, for light reflecting, I have Double, Diana, and Gobi. Let's push through with the Radiant Longwear. Natural Radiant Longwear. Try natin dito sa side na to. Then, try natin dito yung light reflecting. But, why not, diba? Shake well lagi. Ito, ako, like I've said in my previous post, hindi ako ma-pump na tao. Half pump lang, sapat na. Ganun na. Atake natin. This is in the shade Double. And Double. Half pump is enough to cover your face. Natural Radiant Longwear this side, and then this side be like reflecting. So I'll be using different brushes para makita yung difference. Ito, mura lang to brush mo to. Mas to, orange up. Na 84 pesos lang. Pero maganda. OVW Complexion Brush in N85 from here. Alam, di ba na ako? First rated makeup artist. Like, super. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi na kailangan. Sobrang daming product. Just half pump is enough. Hindi ko lang na siguro dahil hindi ako magaling sa kasi yung pag-blend lang tayo siya agad. Or lang ako. Yeah, base, blush, konting contour, tsaka foundation. Yeah. So, let's use the light reflecting foundation. Of course, also in the shade Double. That shake. Well, shade Double, like reflecting. Half pump really lang. As a half pump really. You don't really need much kasi nga sobrang naman na yun. Dapat na yung, sapat na yun para ma-cover yung mga redness, yung mga dark spots. Tsaka pag kasi, Pag makapaliw, nagkikiti. So, sana makita niyo yung difference. Pero, para saan talaga siya maganda, alam niyo. Hindi ko sila malatbo, pareho. Next time, ano naman, yung soft matte complete tsaka yung sheer glow, i-compare natin. Maganda rin yung parehas. Ano ba yan, Nars? Lahat na lang, favorite ko. Siguro kung bibigyan ako ng isang choice, kung anong makeup product lang ang gagamitin ko, ito ba yung Nars? Post ko, we'll compare the soft matte complete and the sheer glow. Yun, makita yun talaga difference kasi nga, yung consistency and product, no? It really is luminous, gives you that glass skin look, whereas the natural radiant, there's still the luminosity, pero kita-kita man na nakakado ng makeup. Think nyo rin below yung mga favorite Nars products nyo, tsaka kung ano yung shade nyo, para naman may konting ano tayo, chika-chika sa comment section. Diba? So, this is in the shade Nugatil 2.2. Konting-konti lang. Just to, you know, I love Nars talaga. Pero, sobrang, lagi ko nang in-emphasize yung importance ng 8 to 10 hours of sleep, drinking lots of water, immense like vitamin C, collagen, biotin, kasi I'm really, really prone to hair fall. Good skincare routine. Pero gusto ko kang okay kung talaga guys, pagda-diet, pag-exercise. Yun na lang talaga. Siguro, I'll be really, happy sa self ko pag na-achieve ko yun. Kasi I really want to start running, like, let's say 2 hours a day. Pero, alam niyo na hala guys, kung you're a makeup lover like me, please make it a point to never ever go to sleep with makeup on, more harm to your sleep. Alam mo yun, talagang pagsisisingan nyo rin. Kung nare-refill ko dito. Yan, hindi ko alam kung ano yung re-refill ko dito. Magkano po yung refill? Kasi nakalimutan ko po kung ano na. So, and I don't wanna lose this kasi yung ulo niya diba, laki na. Ano to kayong kasha dito? Hope you can reply. Pag nila ako sinipon. Kaya na namin yung sticky packaging niya. So, for NARS, we're gonna use the highlighter in Capri. And also the famous NARS blush here. Making everybody loves this blush. Pinenda ko yung deep kasi parang ano siya sa akin, orangey. Yan, mong diba? Tingnan mo guys. Then, for the bronzer, and yan, palet ng NARS. Banda na. It's yun na, no? Summer Unrated Blush Bronzer Duo in Laguna and Orgaza. Ang famous shade ng bronzer ng NARS is Laguna. Tsaka yun nga. Siyempre, pero may extra tayo. So, yan na. Let's try naman their highlighting. For the lips, which is one of the most famous shades sa NARS, it's Ski Up or She Up. I think it's Ski Up. NARS Ski Up. So, here. O, pakakala mo naman. Everywhere, bihan yung katao. Ang aking makeup. Hindi na ko na mascara kasi yun na ko alis. Pinakita ko lang. So once again, this is the side ng light differacting and this is the side ng natural radiant longwear foundation. Hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know anong shade nyo at anong favorite products yun ng NARS.